Hello everyone, this is Radhakrishna. In this video, we are going to discuss on the problem charge account validation of the chapter 7 arrays and lists. The main aim of this video is to understand the usage of the arrays, the usage of files and also the usage of try-catch statements. So in this problem, we need to create an application that reads the contents of the file which contains a list of the company's valid charge account numbers. The application should then let the user enter a charge account number. The program should determine whether the number is valid by searching for it in the array or list that contains the valid charge account numbers. If the number is in the array or list, the program should display a message indicating the number is valid. If the number is not in the array or list, the program should display a message indicating the number is invalid. So to build this application, I have created a form. I have entered the label displaying the message entering the charge account number, and I also added a text input to enter the charge account number during execution and a button check account. So when I click the check account button, I need to read the data of all the account numbers from the file and store it into a list or an array, and then compare the entered charge account number in the text input box with the charge account numbers in the list or an array, and then displaying the message whether the entered account number is valid or not. So on clicking the check account button, the event handler of the check account button opens. Here I have created a list to hold the account number details that are present in the file, and also I have created a variable account number and initiated to 0. This will hold the value of the entered account number during execution. The first step in this program is to validate the entered account number. That is, the entered account number may be a negative number or also a number with alphanumeric way. So the first try catch block contains the validation of the entered account number. If the account number entered is greater than 0, then I am assigning the entered account number to account num variable. If the account number variable entered is a negative number, then I am displaying a message enter positive number. Then in the catch block, I am catching the exception if the account number entered is string. So automatically it throws an exception, and in the exception block I am displaying the message enter the numeric account number. So this part validates the entered account number in my program. So the second step in the program is to read the account data from the file. Here I am using the stream reader input file equal to file.openText of account_list.txt. Please note that to use the stream reader functions or to deal with the files, you will need to include the library function using system.io. Whenever you create an application, this system.io is not included. So we need to include explicitly the system.io functions, that is the libraries in the .NET framework. So using the system.io, the stream reader functions can be enabled and we can work with the file operations. Here I am opening the file using the stream reader function, stream reader input file equal to file.openText account_list.txt. I have included the file account_list.txt document in the path check charge account bin debug of the program, and in the file we have all the valid charge account numbers of the current bank. So we need to compare the entered account number from all these accounts and then validate and display the message whether the entered account number is valid or not. Also we can use the stream reader function, and also we can locate the file using the selected path using @ and giving the path in this way. So in this way we can give the path of our own and include the file there, and we can open the file from there. Then I am looping through the file till the end of stream. that is while not equal to input file dot end of stream. So this loops the file till the end of stream, and when the end of file reaches, so it returns false, and at that time the execution comes out of the loop. So while looping through the file, I am adding all the details of the account numbers to the list, that is account list dot add of int dot parse of input file dot read line. Input file dot read line method reads the data from the file. Then the int dot parse of input file dot read line converts the string into the integer, and account list dot add of the remaining part adds to the list. Then I am closing the file after the loop, that is input file dot close. So if any exception occurs during the reading of the file, here I am capturing the messages using message box dot show x dot message. This try catch block is to read the account data from the file. So the next step in the program is to check whether the entered account number is valid or not. So I have created a boolean account and initiated to false. It's the account found variable. Then I am looping through the list using int account number in list. So the account variable loops to the account list, and I am checking with the each value of the account list with the entered value, that is the entered value is the account number here. If at any point if the account is equal to account number, then the account found is set to true. So once the for each loop is executed, if the account found is set to true, then I am displaying the message enter the account number is a valid account number, else the entered account number is not found, please try with the another account number. Again I am capturing all the exceptional messages in this try catch statement in this catch block, where I am displaying the inbuilt message provided by the .NET framework. When I am trying to execute the application, when I click the check account button, entered account number is a valid account number. When the account does not found, it displays a message entered account number not found, please try with the another account number. So to summarize the entire program, the first try catch block allows us to know how to validate the account number dealing with the integers. So this may be useful in many other programs too. So that is, whenever you need to validate the input string as a number, we need to validate whether the entered number is a negative number or a positive number, and also the entered number is alphanumeric or a number. The second block explains us to how to read the data from a file, that is how to read the data from the default path or from the custom path. The third block explains us how to compare the given string with the list or an array, etc.